In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your TradingView username. Maybe you've outgrown your old username, or you just want something more professional or easier to recognize. Whatever the reason, updating it on TradingView is quick and simple once you know where to look. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and you can follow along on your own screen. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account in your browser. Once you're on any TradingView page, look toward the upper left area of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Depending on your setup, this might look like a small avatar, your initials, or a picture you've uploaded. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This opens a small menu connected to your account. From this menu, you should see your current TradingView username displayed. Click directly on your username. This is a quick shortcut that takes you into the main account area where you can edit your profile and other personal settings. If the menu has several options, just make sure you're selecting the one that actually shows your username, not things like logout or help. After you click the username, look for the option labeled Settings and Billing. This is where TradingView keeps all the controls related to your account details. Click on Settings and Billing to open the full settings page. It might take a second to load, especially if you haven't opened it before, so just wait until you see the different sections appear. Within the settings, navigate to the Public Profile section. Here, you'll find the option that says Change Username. This is the key part of the process. Click on Change Username, and you'll be able to type a new one. Take a moment to choose a username that's easy to remember, reflects how you want to appear to others, and follows TradingView's rules. If the name you want is already taken, you may need to add numbers or a small variation until you find one that's available. Once you're happy with the new username you've entered, scroll down if needed and click on Save Changes. This button confirms the update and applies it to your account. Wait for a moment for the page to refresh or for a confirmation message to appear. And that's it. Your TradingView username is now updated and you'll see the new name across your charts, ideas and profile.